Hi everybody, this is Sir Pierre, back another day with another unboxing. This is my EDC bag, my everyday carry bag, and I really like it. I've worn it every day since April last year. Every day. I think so, yeah. And I have abused it. No, I'm not careful at all. The only thing I can see, I got stuck with something here. That's it. Otherwise, it's absolutely worth the money. I've said that in a couple of videos. Yeah, I really like it. And it actually gets better and softer and more curable after you use it. So yeah, I highly recommend the Jordan Monogram bags. And then for a while ago, I bought a new one because I thought it looked good, and I have complained a lot that Nike Sweden, Nike Europe doesn't carry all the Jordan things. And thanks to you, I learned in a video, one of my videos, that this is the small one, the 25 liters. In the US, you have a 40 liters as well, that is more or less double the size. We don't have that in Europe. So this is the small duffel bag. But for a daily bag, it fits me perfect. The measures are 47 centimeters, I think, and I don't know. I have videos about that. So I bought another one just because it was available for once, not at Nike Europe. I believe I bought this one from Zalando, and this one I also think was from Zalando. Very beautiful bag. The plan was to have this as a backup bag when this is not big enough or just not enough. But I have not used it yet, and I've had it for at least 6 months, at least. I think I bought it last year. And this actually made me like this even more. Because I thought sometimes that I should switch my everyday carry things and have it in this instead, but I just haven't. And the thing is that I like this bag so much that I like it too much. It almost becomes boring because this bag does enough for me. I don't need anything else. All those very expensive bags, I don't use them. And I don't want anything else. I'm super happy with this one. This one is available in dark gray. So I thought maybe I should buy a new one just to have it new, but no. I want to wear this until it breaks. And then I complained some more. I saw that Nike or Jordan brand released the emerald green collection that looked really cool with these. Yeah, so the same color as these. And I complained that Nike Europe, you don't care about us. You don't bring all the things here and yada yada yada. I complained a bunch. Then all of a sudden, there was the bag. And yes, you see how UPS delivers. Terrible. And I'm once again super happy with the black bag. And I thought that when I complained that Nike didn't have this collection in Sweden, Europe, shouldn't I buy it just for fun? I thought, no, I'm not going to use it at all. It's too much, yada, yada, yada. I'm happy with the one that I have, and if I need a backup, I have a backup. But then I realized that I have spent a lot of money on shoes that I only wear once, and that I would only regret it if I would not buy it. So let's open this broken, damaged box and see what it looks like.
Funky.
Yeah, this box has absolutely been opened and then retaped again, and I don't understand why at all. But thankfully the package inside is something soft and should not be damaged at all. So first of all, the emerald green is not as green as the shoes. I was super sure that this was going to match these shoes, but it doesn't at all. But the positive thing is that this is more or less Tiffany green or Tiffany blue. So yeah, I like it. Let's fill it up with something and see what it looks like. I changed the light as well because I saw that it doesn't show the right color. So I killed the warm light and put on the cold light instead, but now it only looks blue, and I wouldn't say that it's blue, or I would call it Tiffany blue actually. Don't I have anything that matches? No, but this is the green that I thought it was, and I'm not mad that it does not have this green actually. It looks really good. And to Jordan brand and Nike, I absolutely understand that you want to look like a Louis Vuitton Kipal, but I would prefer a small outer pocket on the side or on the long side or something, so I can have my keys there. I really like this. Don't I have any Tiffany shoes? I don't think so. But it does not look like it does on the video. I really like it. Maybe I should try to use it as a everyday carry bag for a while. It got some marks, so it's not perfect. It's not Louis Vuitton quality, but for the money, in Sweden we pay about 150 euro, $150. Yeah, I think so. So they were cheaper in the beginning. The black one was cheaper, but even these go for resale on StockX. So I say it again, if you can buy one for those $150, 150 euro, you should buy one. They are really nice. We have seen them in, I would like the red ones. I don't have it red. Gray, black, the tan one. I think there is another color. But I'm happy with these. Okay, I would like the red one just for fun, but I'm happy with these. And this one is really cool. Let me put on the lights again to see if we can show you the honest color. So here you can see that lighting does some difference on the color. iPhone should be better with colors, but I think no. I think this is the honest one actually, the warm lighting. I think this is the honest color. But it looks better live. It looks more green. It looks really Tiffany green live. I would actually dare to call it Tiffany green, Tiffany blue. The name is Emerald Green, and I like it more than I thought I would. I think I'm going to use it as an everyday carry bag. My plan was to have it at least once with these in my elevator video, but now I feel that I don't have any shoes that match this. I should have something. This is it for this video. I want to be really clear that I'm really happy with my Jordan Monogram bags. I highly recommend them. Absolutely worth the money. And even if I don't need 3 of them, I'm happy that I have all 3. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, let me know. If you have anything to teach me, let me know, because it was because of you that I learned that in US you have 40 liters and these are the smaller 25 liters. Thanks.